In this video, I will show you how to change X display color and enable dark mode. So there are two different ways to do that. The first one is to open the X app and then simply tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Then go to settings and privacy at the bottom. Now you just have to scroll down and go to accessibility, display and language, and then tap on display. Now for some accounts, you can change the display color from here. Now as you can see, for me, I can only change the font size. If you don't see the option to change the display color from here, what we're gonna have to do is simply open our settings, and then we just have to go to display and brightness, and then basically we just have to enable dark mode from our mobile device settings. So if I select dark here, my X display colors will be dark. If I choose light, it will change to a light color. So as you can see, now it's white. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.